episode, I would like to introduce the W12 Pro, the newest product from the Redkey that supports all-around cleaning, all type of washing, and is probably the most sophisticated universal wet, dry vacuum cleaner I've ever seen. And I also have to tell you, if you're interested in Redkey W12 that we took last year, don't forget to click this button, watch the video, and of course come back to us and watch this video till the end. And of course, let's talk about my favorite part, unboxing. Let's see what is inside. I need my nails back. There. This is a mobile base. It means like it can be, moved around. Oh wow! This is the bag for all of the accessories. I love it. This is the hose. This is the handle. Yeah, the handle will be so happy. And here the self-cleaning part and 3 different type of buttons. As you can see, this is the cleaning tool with a brush here, and you have to put all of this like wastewater tank here, so you don't need to touch it. So this one, guys, this is the main unit, okay? As you can see, it has different type of the place. This one is this is waste or dirty water tank, and this is a clean water tank. I love it. And also it comes with the main cleaning brush right here, main brush. So as you can see, this is the glass nozzle. You can clean different type of places. I'm going to explain later. This is a fabric cleaning brush, and this is a brush. You're going to clean all of your sofas and different type of places. You will see in the video. Another one will be like 2 different type of 2-in-1 brush. Charger, of course. This is a charging base. The last one will be a manual that no one reads. When we put together with the main unit and the control handle, it can be utilized as a floor cleaning equipment to remove dry and wet trash from the carpets and the floor. The aesthetic device transmits a strong sense of technology, right? The house cleaning mode is activated when the main use is removed and the connecting hose is attached. So flat bars can be used to clean vehicle seats, sofa crevices, and etc. So how about this fabric cleaning brush? With this brush you can clean practically everything in your house. The first one, of course, your sofa, your pillows, your seats, and your curtains as well. So with this glass cleaning nozzle, obviously you will clean all of these glasses in your house, and not only car as well. So probably you're gonna clean your bathroom, all of your windows in your house, and your car windows as well. So enjoy the cleaning process again. In contrary to using the flat brushes on the vacuum cleaners, the hose has a movable base. Makes it simple to move around while in use, right? So W12 Pro hoses may also extend so far without grabbing the hose. Let's talk about floor cleaning mode. For testing purposes under the various floor cleaning modes, I prepare dry, wet, and mixed forms of rubbish. Imagine that. Just look at this. When the start button is depressed, the 60,000 revolution per motor generates a strong suction force up to 11,000 Pascal that effortlessly removes dog food flakes, hair, and coffee grounds in just one pass over floors and carpets. Wet mixed waste should be added into the water tank with the proper disinfection liquid before testing and to ensure continuous disinfection and sanitization takes place throughout the cleaning process. It's also possible to clean wet and mixed trash in a single pass. Home cleaning mode. So curtains, sofas, and carpets are pretty dirty right now. Now the fabric cleaning head is in place. You can see that the machine automatically sprays water into the interior of the fabric whilst using strong suction to clean it. It quickly removes any remaining dirt or debris from the fabric, dries quickly, and keeps the fabric clean and dry after washing. After that, I switched to the glass cleaning brush, which combines a scrubber and a suction nozzle to remove splashing by sucking debris into the wastewater tank, after rinsing it, of course. It effectively cleans the items like marble surfaces, mirrors, and the glasses. My expectations were exceeded by the Redkey W12. Of course, the pros one. Actual performance after trying all of these features, each function was useful and simple to use.
So guys, if you think like Redkey W12 Pro was great for only household chores, you are wrong. It's actually great also for your car. Things like you can clean your windows, you can clean your seats inside and between and the crevice part, and also things like W12 Pro will provide all car spa solution for you. So how about we're gonna try other things as well. So as you can see, this is what I cleaned and this is I didn't clean. I'm gonna show you one more time. Okay, so let me turn it on, just like that. And I'm gonna fold it up again and clean. Done. Yay, love it. So what about the summary, right? Guys, I have to tell you that W12 Pro was really amazed me about all of this performance stats, no matter I put in the household chores or hard cleaning chores. And the thing is like, it will be really great if they put some larger amount of capacity of the clean water tank, but anyway, it didn't affect it at all. So if you're looking for some kind of vacuum cleaner that actually provide high efficiency cleaning and also budget-friendly price and actually provide all type of cleaning as well, that actually recommending you W12 Pro. It's actually so perfect. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next one.